This process is a blend of tradition and modern technology, ensuring the health of our cows and the quality of the milk. We start by bringing the cows into the parlor, a calm and comfortable environment. Each cow is gently prepped, which includes cleaning and sanitizing the udder, a crucial step for hygiene. Next, the milking machine is attached. This gentle, rhythmic process mimics the calf nursing, ensuring the cow's comfort while efficiently collecting the milk. The milk travels through sterile tubes, undergoing immediate cooling to maintain its freshness and quality. After milking, each cow receives a post-milking dip to protect her health. Finally, the milk is stored in a large bulk tank, ready for processing. It's a routine built on care, precision, and respect for our animals, bringing you the freshest dairy products.